assembly in. Take our button. Line up.
Hold the thumb latch in place. Cotter pins in. Then you're gonna
Anything flat, the one edge.
bring up the cotter pin so it can't fall back out. That's
All
good.
right. And then we have our spring. One end is closed. The one is open. You want the open end going down in the bottom to the side of your head. This way. There we go.
Then you hook it up to the door head.
Make sure that spring loops down in there.
Okay.
Then you work it back and forth. We'll try closing it and see how it does before an adjustment. That's tight. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to come in right here and we're just going to push towards the front of the drawer a little. You'll feel it give.
Shape the sheet metal a little bit.
Yeah,
right?
you'll feel it do a U shape.
Okay.
Then run your thumb latch again, and now we'll close it and see how that. Okay, that's a little smoother. There we go. One finger.
One thing to point out is the thumb latch works better if you keep it low to the base on the thumb latch. If you have a tendency to catch the top of it, it rocks it a little bit, and it's not quite as smooth. So when opening and closing the drawer, just keep your fingering close to the base of it, and it works fairly well.